Welcome to the Thomas Index report for the week of February 28th. Last week, we released the results of our career advancement for manufacturing in a report, which is an annual research study conducted in partnership with the Women in Manufacturing Association. With input from more than 650 industry professionals, our report unveils key insights into representation across industry and highlights strategies to further diversify the sector. The 2022 report reviewed that while men are more likely to actively seek out a career in manufacturing compared to their female counterparts, 75% of women in industry are likely or very likely to recommend a career in manufacturing. Additionally, Alabama and Virginia were recognized as the states with the highest female presence in the manufacturing sector, each with 40% women in the industrial workforces. And on a national scale, the telecommunications, healthcare, and logistics and shipping sectors had the highest concentration of female employees. In terms of career advancement opportunities and possible solutions to addressing the growing skill gaps in the industrial sector, the report found that STEM programs are the most effective pathway for women to enter into manufacturing industry. 48% of women with industrial careers identified as having participated in one. Female respondents also said that leadership, management training, and mentorships had the most significant impact on their career advancement. To read more insights and download the full report, please click the link in the video description below. I'm Kathy Ma, and this is the Thomas Index Report.